How to turn on data saving mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on data saving mode on YouTube. It's perfect for saving your mobile data while still enjoying your favorite videos. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as data saving. And here you can see the option labeled as data saving mode. So simply toggle on that option. And once you do that, you have successfully turned on the data saving mode on YouTube. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.